Hi, Mr. Novak here. Welcome back to Term 2 and Remote Learning. Before we start our formal lessons, just a couple of instructions on how we would proceed. So remember, we are doing a double today, so we're going to be doing two lessons. And the first thing you need to do is mark your attendance. So remember, we missed you on Monday, so our attendance is lesson 2, which covers for both doubles. So it's a matter of just clicking on that and recording your own attendance. I'll just very quickly do my own self, and that's all that's required of you. But you must try and perform that as per timetable, or at least during the course of this day. If you haven't already done so, I do need you to complete your work habit. So do that by, once again, clicking on that. It's a rubric. And just do a self-assessment of your effort, behavior, organization, and work as per term 1. It would be great to see the comparison with that later on in this term when we see the self-learning program. Okay, once we've done that, we just return back to the page where we're ready to do our lessons. As you can see, we're going to have a series of 12 lessons all up. And we will do a test, and you'll find out a little bit more about that as we get closer to the end. So here we have lesson 1. That's been prepared by Mr. Farragut. And so it's a case of clicking on that for today's first lesson. And there are your instructions. So for instance, I've already asked you to do the work habit. So now it's a case of watching the solving linear equations video, which is this one here on the side. So it's a case of clicking on that and then pressing the play button. In that instruction, you'll get all the necessary information required. So, and then because we're doing a double period today, we're also doing lesson 2, which is exercise 4A. We will be asking you to continue on. Once again, you should have already done that. We're now watching the second video, which is this one here, tackling some more challenging linear equations. And remember, linear equations have only one pronumeral, and that's simply x as the most common pronumeral, as opposed to simultaneous equations, which have two pronumeral, or quadratic equations, which have x squared. So we are looking at linear, and you've done those last year. So all the best. As I say, if you have any problems, let me know via the forum thread. And don't forget scan and photograph your completed work and email it or post it to Hapara, and I'll be able to have a quick check that you have been doing the work. Have a great day.